In this video, I would like to show you how you can set up your website in less than 15 minutes. So whether you need it for a blog or maybe a website for your services, or even like an online store for your physical products or even digital products, you need a hosting site to do that. And of course, you also need your domain and WordPress to design your website. So before anything else, I would just like to discuss with you what is a hosting site and why do we need it. So a hosting site is like our home in the World Wide Web, and it's the one that makes it possible for our website to be accessible. So without a hosting site, our website will not be accessible online. The next thing we need is the domain. So if your hosting site is considered to be your home in the web, your domain is your address. For instance, hostinger.com, or in my personal website, I have ancreatives.com. That is my own domain. And we need to have that as well because this is where people will go if they want to go to your website. And the last one that we need actually to set up your website is a WordPress. And the good thing with hostinger.com is that once you purchase their hosting site, you will be able to get a free domain, and at the same time, the website setup would be like clicks away. It's very, very easy. So I'm going to show you later on. So right now, let's just go over to hostinger.com so that I can show you how we are going to set up the website. Check out the description site and you will see that I have a link over there that will bring you to hostinger.com. I just want to be transparent with you that this is actually an affiliate link, and once you purchase hostinger.com through that link, I will be able to earn a few bucks. But the good thing with that is that this has no added cost to you. I love hostinger.com and I've been using this for many years already because aside from the fact that it's quite affordable, Hostinger is really a very reliable hosting site and it's high quality. It's been used all over the world. What I really love about hostinger.com is that it offers different solutions for different users. So whether you have an online store, a blog, or like a website to market your services, all of this again can be made possible through hostinger.com. This is the website for hostinger.com, and we're just gonna go over here. As you can see here, they have different plans and it's really up to you or to your business needs. But for me personally, I always like the business plan because it has the top features that I need. For instance, the increased performance up to 5 times. I can create actually 100 websites through this plan. They have a 200 gig storage and of course the daily backup. And what I really love most about it is that it has unlimited free SSL, bandwidth, free email, free domain, and free CDN. Well, if you're gonna go to other hosting sites, you can see that they don't have a free SSL or free domain and even free email. That's really an added cost. So that's why I really love this plan. But if you want more, if you're very particular with having a dedicated IP address, then you can go for a cloud startup. So it's really up to you. It's $3.99 per month. So let's check and let's add this to our cart. They have different payment schemes. So if you want to go for a month, that's $13.99 per month, or 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. If you are actually looking into saving a lot, then you can go for 48 months because that is only $3.99 per month. But if you have a very limited budget, then I suggest you go for 12 months. But you know what? 48 months is only less than $200, and that's for 4 years already. So you can really save a lot. And again, it comes with free domain for the first year. And you just have to renew the domain. The domain will cost you, I think, yearly would be around $20 to $25. Then after that, you just have to create your account and select the payment that you want. And yeah, that's it. If you're going to choose 4 years, 48 months, that would be $191.52 only. Once you're done with the payment, you will be redirected into a page where you can get your own domain. So again, this is for free. So you just have to type here the domain and search if it's available. So I suggest think of 3 domains that you want so that if the first domain is not available, then you still have 2 options. In this part, you will be asked what type of website you want. So whether it's an online store, blog, business, portfolio, or others. But for me, I prefer to skip this one. Alright, so let's create a new website. Let's select this. I'm gonna select the WordPress because I want to design my website using WordPress. So as you can see, we already have website set up. My website is now active. All I have to do is to install WordPress. We're just gonna wait a few minutes while they're installing website for us. Alright, so in this part, you need to add your website credentials. Then I will be asked to select application version. So I'm gonna get the recommended one, which is 6.3.2. We don't really have to know everything about it, but it just means that this is the most updated, the latest WordPress version. So I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna click install. So now it's done. We already have our website set up. After the installation, I was redirected in these dashboards, and this is already live. So as you can see here, we have HTTPS, the SSL is already active. And then I'm gonna put my website in maintenance mode so that people will not see it, because of course I need to design my website first. If you want to access your website, you go to admin panel. So let's click this one. Now we are redirected to the dashboard of our website. Dashboard is the back end of our website. So this is how it looks like. If you want to see your website, you can just go over here and visit site. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the website looks like, and it's ready for design. If you want to know how to design your own website, then watch my video on how to build your own website using Elementor and of course WordPress.